Haha, lad, the truck. Morning, Lee.
Morning.
How we doing?
Alright.
So this will be the very first time you've heard me say this out loud. Oh, the seat moves. Hi, I'm Dale, and welcome to Spotted Motors. This is Lee Spink, and this is his super cool truck. Super cool. So what actually is it?
It's a Chevy S10. I think it's, I can't even remember how big the engine is, but it's a V6. It's a 4.6 or something, I think. I'll have to check that.
So we're off to see our good friend Michael Castle, who obviously has the Cortina, as you fully well know. And we're off to look at his turbos, aren't we, lad?
Yes.
He's got twin turbos, so we're going to go and have a look at them, just because turbos are cool. Oh yeah, of course it does Burnouts. It does do Burnouts.
Definitely does Burnouts. Oh, she's capable. You can tow a ton on it, she's got a little tow behind the back.
Michael Castle,
Morning, Dale.
how we doing?
Spot on.
So we've come around to look at your turbos, if that's alright.
Yeah, no problem.
We've brought the Burnout truck, but we want to look at your turbos. Don't we, Lee?
Yes. Right.
You've got a nice gap for them, Michael. They're massive, aren't they?
53mm twin scroll whole set.
Jesus.
Plug and play.
Have you thought of positions?
It's hard to visualise, isn't it? And
Oh, not really. I don't envision
know.
it. You don't want it. You don't want them above bonnet, do you?
no, definitely not. Definitely not.
And has he got a mate? Has he?
Yes.
So that's his friend. Oh, Michael, it's going to be absolutely mint.
It's going to be off its head.
Not like that.
And you've got the full kit. So you've got
Got everything, mate.
intercooler.
Intercooler, wastegates, dwarf valve, carb, flow from carb.
The full shenanigans.
Full works.
And what's this?
Position? I don't know, Dale. Position wise, it's hard. Dave McCallum's the man for that.
He is, yeah.
Yeah.
He'd be watching, so he'd be smiling, thinking, "Yeah, there's my next job."
Same exhaust will come up the same. Probably have a little flick on them.
And what are you doing wastegate wise? Where are you going to terminate them?
Again, I haven't decided.
Do you want to mount the bonnet?
No. Maybe it's beside the exhaust. Looks
Yeah.
quite well.
Sleeper turbos. Some people probably flaunt them, don't they, and have them hanging out with all sorts of wings and.
Well, that's it. That's a digital boost controller, I think.
I just get them out the box all the time. Would you just look at them?
Nice little bit of kit that.
PSI.
Mm-hmm. A lot of learning to be done, I think. A lot of
Really nice intercooler. You definitely don't want that hanging out the front end of it, do you?
plenty of room in front of that radiator over there
Yeah.
to get that in.
Yeah. It goes in front.
Go to your ass, go in front of the radiator, yeah. So that'll be, I don't know, it'll be in there somewhere. Might have to modify the bonnet and bring that out over here.
Yeah. Because
Which I don't mind. I don't mind a little bulge.
Yeah. Oh, don't you, Michael?
Don't put this on YouTube.
What? Well, thanks for showing us, Michael.
No problem.
Just a quick little,
And this is the
little peep on it.
nice little bit.
Everyone loves new parts, though, don't they?
Shiny.
Oh, it looked gorgeous, won't it, when you start bolting all this on?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
He's lovely. Is that the same size CFM? Or?
No, this is smaller CFM.
Yeah.
So 650.
When's your parachute coming?
It runs a treat. So we've just said goodbye to Michael, and just a quick video really, just a bit of an update and see what Michael's getting up to with the Cortina, introducing Lee Spink as well, and the cool Chevy Pickup. So I'm just going to go and find a nice quiet spot, do a quick burnout, and then yeah, we'll leave it as that. So catch us later.
Alright.
Just cruises here, nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to turn the AC/DC down a touch.
Turn it off if you want. If you want.
We'll have it on 20. Oh, it doesn't. No. 24, 22, 24, 26. I like it on.
Have either.
No. Well, I'll drive it up on. I like it on 25.
Oh, that's an odd number. I can't do that.
20. Have you been down here before?
On my bike when I was a kid. I think there's just farms down here.
So we're just on the hunt for a nice little road where we're not going to disturb anyone, just so we can do a little burnout without upsetting the neighbours. So, oh, this is dirt road. You proper suit this, you know.
Do I?
Yeah, you.
Reckon this is okay? I don't think.
I reckon just round the corner from here, because you might upset the cows.
Yeah.
It's still cool and everything.
Pretty cool. Got it first. I don't think that the temperature now works very well. Come pick his tyres up.
Right, what a great way to sign off. So, we're going to bolt before the farm comes out. And yes, well, welcome to Lee.
Thank you very much.
There's a cracking burnout as well, does Lee. So yeah, bit of a mad video this one, but just having a bit of fun. And yeah. See everyone in the next video. It's a bit rushed now because I feel all like illegal street burnouts. But no, getting back on track. Thank you very much for watching. Give us a like, give us a comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button. If you want to see a bit more Lee and his crazy truck and his burnout and his heavy right foot, just let us know. But for now, thank you very much for watching. I've been Spotted Motors. Lee's been Lee Spink.
Bye bye.
The only problem is Paul might watch the video. Is he okay with the burnout?
I don't think he'll be bothered, to be honest.